Hello friends, I am Ethina. Welcome to my channel Ethina's Kitchen Rasoi. Today's recipe is mutton curry. Ingredients for mutton curry: I have taken 800 gram mutton, 4 pieces potato, 2 whole onions, 1 whole tomato, ginger 20 grams and 4 green chilies. I will blend and make a paste of this. Two whole onions finely chopped, 1 chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1½ tablespoon garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, this is optional, turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1½ teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon kashmiri red chili powder. Red chili powder as required. A mix of cardamom, cinnamon and clove powder or garam masala. Whole cardamom and cinnamon. 2 bay leaves. 150 ml mustard oil. And ghee 2 tablespoons. Now I will marinate the mutton. 2 tablespoons mustard oil. 1 tablespoon yogurt. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, ½ teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, ½ teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon paste I have made. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now keep it for 2 hours. Now keep it for 2 hours in a fridge. Take mustard oil in a pan and heat it. When heated, add the potato and fry it. Now add bit of salt and turmeric powder. When it becomes light brown, take it out. Now add bay leaf and whole cardamom and cinnamon. Now add chopped onion. When it attains light brown color, then add chopped tomato. Now add garlic paste. Now add the blended paste. When the oil tips out, then add turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, kashmiri red chili powder, red chili powder, salt, sugar, and a bit of water, and stir well. Then add yogurt. Now cook for a while. Now add the marinated mutton. It has become deep golden brown. Now I will add the fried potatoes. Now I will transfer it in a pressure cooker. Now add warm water. Now put on the lid and wait for 4 whistles. Now keep in sim mode for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now switch off the gas. Now lastly add 1 tablespoon ghee. And half teaspoon garam masala. Just stir a bit. So friends, mutton curry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching and keep watching my channel.